Hi everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we are still in our yoga series and we are doing another version of Sun Salutation, right?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
what's the difference between today's salutation and the previous episode Sun Salutation?
Okay, so today is Sun Salutation B. It's slightly lengthier, so it's a bit more movements involved.
Yeah, so is that why Daryl got me to do it instead of him? So
I
he
guess so.
wants
Yeah.
me suffer a bit more, right?
Yeah, that's what friends are for,
Right. And
Yeah.
and let's just remind everyone that every motion or every pose that we do is an inhalation and exhalation as well.
Correct.
So we don't really have to go through that again. We ready?
Ready, ever ready.
Okay, let's go.
Standing at the top of your mat with hands by your side, we inhale to chair pose, and as we exhale, we fold forwards. Inhale, we lengthen our spine. As we exhale, we step or jump back to plank pose, chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog and exhale to downward facing dog. Bringing your right leg in between your palms, we inhale to warrior one. As we exhale, we bring the right leg back to plank pose, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale to downward facing dog. Stepping the left leg forwards, we inhale to warrior one. As we exhale, we bring the left foot back to plank pose, chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog, and as we exhale to downward facing dog. Step or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthening your spine. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale, we come to chair pose. Exhale, hands by your side, Samasthiti.
So Jack, how was it?
I think it was good. It's just that my legs are quite swollen now.
Oh, why?
I think because of the warrior one pose.
Ah.
But it's a good like a full body workout as well.
Yes.
So anyway, that's all the time that we have today.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yep, and see you in our next episode. Bye bye.